Hey, Kerry Russell here from theblogmechanic.com. In today's video I want to show you how you can very quickly and very easily roll back to a previous version of WordPress. Before I show you how to do that, you may be wondering why you would want to roll back to a previous version of WordPress. It could simply be that you've recently updated WordPress and it's messed up your site. Or maybe updating WordPress is having a negative impact on the functionality of certain plugins and themes on your WordPress blog. For whatever reason, there may come a time when you need to go back to the previous version of WordPress, especially when new versions have just been released. Because when a new version of WordPress core has been released, very often during the first week or so, there can be bugs in the update which need smoothing out by the team at WordPress. Okay? Now, for this particular video tutorial, the reason I want to roll back to a previous version of WordPress is because basically I'm setting up a new site. And one of the features on the theme for this site is not working as it should do. And since WordPress have recently just released version 4.94, before I actually go ahead and contact the support team for the particular theme that I'm using, one of the first things I do to troubleshoot this error is to go back to the previous WordPress version. And that got me thinking that while I'm actually doing this, I may as well shoot up Camtasia and show you guys how to do it too. Because like I say, there may be certain circumstances or certain times where you also need to roll back to a previous version of WordPress if it's broken something or if some bugs need rolling out. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So naturally, first things first, you need to log in to your WordPress blog. And we're actually going to use a plugin for this. I found a really cool plugin. First time I've come across it. That basically allows you to roll back your version of WordPress at the click of a button. It's worked perfectly fine on my system. And it's got some great reviews as well. Now, the only other alternative to using a WordPress plugin is to do it manually via FTP, but that can be very time consuming. And also, you know, if you're not very technical savvy, you might not be confident enough to do it via FTP. So in my opinion, this one is a win-win. Okay, so if you're logged into your blog, you basically need to go to plugins and go to add new. I've actually already installed the plugin, so I don't need to reinstall it. But in the search bar, just put WordPress Rollback. If I can spell. Oops, bear with me. Let me go to my plugin list. Install plugins. Okay, WordPress downgrade. So you would go to plugins, you would go to add new. And then you would enter WordPress downgrade and let it search for that. I was thinking of another plugin because you can actually roll back themes and plugins as well. But to roll back WordPress, you need WordPress downgrade. Now, like I say, I've already got it installed. If you haven't, you're probably seeing a install button here. So I'm just going to activate mine. Okay. Then I am going to go to settings and to WordPress downgrade. In fact, before I do that, just let me show you. In the bottom right corner of the dashboard, you can actually see your current WordPress version. And right now, mine says version 4.9.4. Okay. So, go to settings. Where have we gone? Go to WordPress downgrade, left click. Okay, it's a really simple interface, if that's what you call it. Okay, dashboard. So on the very top here, there's an input field, and you can see we currently have version 4.9.4. So you need to change this to the version you want to roll back to, which is, of course, version 3. So we've got 4.9.3. Then we want to save changes. Let that do its thing, okay? And then you see this line of text here. It says, in order to perform the upgrade or downgrade to WordPress 4.9.3, please go to Update Core. So just click this link. Okay. And then here you have the latest version of WordPress. Future security updates will be applied automatically. Can you see here, if you need to reinstall version 4.9.3, you can do so here. So let's reinstall. Give that a moment to do its thing, and there you go. Welcome to WordPress 4.9.3. And if we scroll down to the bottom, it should be in the bottom right corner as well. Version 4.9.3. Okay, so that's how you roll back to a previous version of WordPress. Like I say, you know, I researched this, I found this plugin, I've tested it, and it's working perfectly. This web host is Bluehost that I'm actually working on at the moment. In this instance, it hasn't actually fixed the problem I'm working on, but if you do find that you have problems when updating WordPress, one of the troubleshooting steps that I do recommend is rolling back the WordPress version. Okay, so I hope that helps. This is Kerry Russell, the Blog Mechanic, and I look forward to helping you again real soon in another video. Bye for now.